Hello everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let us review the Bank of America Life Plan. So this life plan right here is a premium financial guidance tool designed for preferred rewards members, offering personalized advice to help reach major life goals like buying a home, saving for college, or planning for retirement. So, as of 2025, it provides a holistic overview of your finances, integrating your Bank of America and Merrill accounts, and connects you with financial specialists for tailored insights. So the plan is free for eligible members and includes digital planning tool that update in real time with your financial planning tools or activities. It is ideal for those who want goal-based, relationship-driven support without extra fee since, as I said, this is practically free.